So this video will be really interesting. So as you know, Huawei's Mate 50 series and its launch is undoubtedly the new hot topic of discussion among consumers. So far we came across a bunch of headlines ready to when the flagship model will showcase its first look to its fans. Looks like due to some reasons the company delayed the launch date of the Mate 50 series, but it seems now it's confirmed. So according to a Vivo vlogger, the high-end Mate 50 series of smartphones will come into existence on September 12th, the same day where Huawei will unveil its M5 electric car. Furthermore, there is a surprise for you guys, but this time around the company has packed not just one but 3 models to line up in front of its fans. Well, as per the reports, the Mate 50 series will exhibit 3 gigantic handsets, including the standard Mate 50 and Mate 50 Pros, and of course the Porsche design. Yes, this time around Huawei is approaching the same strategy which they left with the launch of the Mate 40 series. So it's a good news though that we are getting 3 models this year. Moving on, a well-known Vivo tipster has revealed that the Mate 50 series will come with the reasonable pricing because the company has resolved supply chain issues and there are sufficient units for the consumers. On the other hand, though, the tipster mentioned that the device still has 4 grams, which will keep the pricing around the last flagship device, the P50 series. Furthermore, he mentioned that the Mate 50 series will have a better camera experience, especially than the P50 series, and obviously this smartphone will come equipped with X-Mage branding and will be the first to feature that. So it's my guess though the camera of the Mate 50 series will be outclassed. Plus Huawei will introduce the Harmony operating system 3.0 alongside with the Mate 50 series launch event, which will give its AI magic to further enhance the camera quality. So yeah, what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.